Hi everyone, welcome to Friankor, and this is Eva, and today I'm going to break down the difference and the features between the wired and wireless modes of our MK series wall printer, so you can pick the one that fits your needs best. Okay, the wireless mode really stands out for its convenience, flexibility, and reliability. Here what makes it special: incredible, easy to set up and operate. When printing, you can see that just snaps the device into its built-in computer mount and it's fixed in a second. And you need to check the print details or adjust settings middle-gel. You can just take it off anytime. Hold it in your hand and makes tricks super flexible when you are done. There are no messy wiring to sort out, saves space and keeps things neat. No more cable hassle, better for long-distance use. No data cables required, so you can forget about tangled wires or accidental tugs. The signal covers up to 10 meters and it transmits at speeds up to 1000 MB per second. So your comments respond instantly. For example, when using the MK02 to print on the ground, you do not have to bend over the device. Just stand comfortable and adjust the settings, way less tiring. Okay, it has built-in power-off backup function. If the power cuts out suddenly when printing, the device automatically saves you current, progress, and settings. Once power's back, you do not have to realign or set over. Just pick up right where you left off, or save the materials and the time, which is a big help for long jobs. The wired mode differ when it comes to connection and reliability. Here, what you need to know. Okay, the wired mode differ when it comes to connection and reliability. Here, what you need to know about. Like, relies on the cables, limiting your movement, and it has to connect to computer or other device via data cable, and the cable length is fixed. So that means you can only work within the cable range, no flexible long-distance control. It's better for fixed location and shorter jobs. If the power or data cable loosen or get stepped or pulled, the computer might suddenly shut down or lose signal. Then you have to restart the device, recalibrate, or even start printing from scratch. There is a risk of rework and it needs a cleaner, more organized workspace to work with. So, to sum up, the wireless mode is great if you want efficiency, flexibility, and fewer interruptions. The wired mode works fine if you don't have spatial connection needs and your workspace is stable. So, choose based on how you will actually use it.